Tired of projects feeling like a juggling act with flaming torches? Let's tame that chaos and bring some visual order to your Trello boards by creating a Gantt chart. Today, I'll walk you through a simple method to visualize your project timeline directly within Trello, making it easier to track dependencies, milestones, and overall progress. First, let's create our lists. These will represent the different stages of your project: think, to do, in progress, and completed, or whatever stages best suit your workflow. Now, populate each list with cards representing your individual tasks. Be specific with each card title so you understand exactly what must be done. This is where your Gantt chart starts to take shape. The key to creating a visual timeline is using the due date feature on each card. Click on a card and set a realistic start and end date for the task. This will visually represent the task duration on our Gantt chart. Next, enable the timeline view in Trello. You'll find it in the boards menu under the Power Up section. Search for timeline and enable it. This transforms your lists and cards into a visual Gantt chart. The timeline view allows you to see all your tasks laid out horizontally across a calendar. You can drag and drop cards to adjust their start and end dates and easily identify any potential conflicts or overlaps. For dependencies, connect related tasks by clicking on the dependency icon when you hover over a card on the timeline. This helps you visually link dependent tasks, ensuring work occurs in the correct order. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a Gantt chart in Trello, helping you visualize, manage, and conquer your projects. Now go on and make all of your projects organized.